Life is a tapestry woven with countless threads of decisions. From the mundane to the monumental, every choice we make shapes the fabric of our existence. Some decisions are simple, like what to have for breakfast, while others carry profound implications, such as choosing a career path or life partner. Decision-making is inherently complex. It requires us to navigate a labyrinth of options, each with its own set of potential outcomes, risks, and rewards. Our minds grapple with uncertainty, weighing probabilities and attempting to predict the future. The human brain, for all its marvels, is not a perfect calculating machine. Our thoughts and judgments are influenced by a myriad of factors, both conscious and unconscious. Emotions, biases, past experiences, and cognitive shortcuts all play a role in shaping our decisions, often without our awareness. Mastering the art of decision-making is an ongoing journey of self-discovery and skill development. By understanding the intricacies of our own minds and employing effective strategies, we can make choices that align with our values and lead to greater fulfillment. Our minds are remarkable instruments, capable of astonishing feats of reasoning and creativity, yet they are also susceptible to cognitive biases that can lead us astray. One such pitfall is analysis paralysis, where we become overwhelmed by information. We get bogged down in endless analysis, unable to make a choice. Another trap is confirmation bias, seeking information that confirms our beliefs. This bias can lead us to discount evidence that contradicts our views. The sunk cost fallacy clouds our judgment. We continue investing in a decision simply because we've already invested so much. By recognizing these pitfalls, we can mitigate their impact. Cognitive biases shape our perceptions and influence our decisions. They are mental shortcuts developed to process information quickly. These shortcuts can lead to errors, especially in complex decisions. Anchoring bias makes us rely heavily on the first piece of information. In car negotiations, the first offer often serves as an anchor. The availability heuristic makes us overestimate easily recalled events. After a shark attack report, we overestimate the risk of attacks. Understanding biases helps us make more rational choices. Mastering the art of decision-making is a skill that can be honed with practice and the right tools. By incorporating effective strategies into our decision-making process, we can improve the quality of our choices and increase our chances of achieving desired outcomes. One such strategy is the simple yet powerful pros and cons list. By systematically listing the advantages and disadvantages of each option, we force ourselves to consider all sides of an issue before making a decision. This can help us to avoid impulsive choices and make more informed decisions. Another helpful technique is to seek out diverse perspectives. By soliciting input from people with different viewpoints and backgrounds, we can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the issue at hand and identify potential blind spots in our own thinking. It's also crucial to define clear decision-making criteria. What factors are most important to us in this particular decision? By establishing our priorities up front, we can avoid being swayed by irrelevant information or emotional appeals. By incorporating these strategies into our decision-making process, we can make more thoughtful, informed, and ultimately more successful choices. Section 5. The Power of Perspective. Edward de Bono's 6 Thinking Hats. Edward de Bono's 6 Thinking Hats method offers a powerful framework for approaching decision-making from multiple perspectives. By metaphorically wearing different hats, each representing a distinct mode of thinking, we can explore a problem from all angles and arrive at a more comprehensive solution. The white hat represents objective thinking, focusing on facts, figures, and neutral information. The red hat symbolizes emotions, intuition, and gut feelings. The black hat encourages critical thinking, identifying potential risks, flaws, and challenges. The yellow hat embodies optimism, exploring potential benefits, opportunities, and positive outcomes. The green hat fosters creativity, brainstorming new ideas and innovative solutions. Finally, the blue hat represents process control, facilitating the discussion, summarizing key points, and ensuring all perspectives are heard. By systematically shifting our thinking through these 6 hats, we can overcome biases, generate creative solutions, and make more well-rounded decisions. Section 6. Trusting your gut, the role of intuition in decision-making. While rational analysis is crucial for sound decision-making, it's equally important to acknowledge the role of intuition. Intuition, often described as a gut feeling, is a form of unconscious intelligence that draws upon our past experiences, patterns, and emotions. Intuition can be particularly valuable in situations where time is of the essence or where we lack complete information. Our gut feelings can guide us towards decisions that feel right, even if we can't fully articulate the reasons why. However, it's important to note that intuition is not infallible. Our gut feelings can be influenced by biases and emotions, and relying solely on intuition can lead to poor decisions. Section 7. Finding the balance, logic, and intuition in harmony. The key to effective decision-making lies in finding a balance between logic and intuition. We should strive to use both our heads and our hearts in making choices, integrating rational analysis with our gut feelings. One way to achieve this balance is to view intuition as a starting point for further exploration. When we experience a strong gut feeling about a decision, we can use that as a signal to delve deeper into the issue, gathering more information and analyzing the situation logically. Conversely, if our rational analysis leads us to a decision that doesn't feel right in our gut, it's worth pausing and exploring our intuitions further. Perhaps there are underlying factors or emotional considerations that we haven't fully accounted for. By integrating both logic and intuition into our decision-making process, we can make choices that are both rational and aligned with our values and aspirations. Section 8. The ripple effect. Good decisions, better outcomes. The decisions we make, both big and small, have a ripple effect on our lives and the lives of those around us. Good decisions can lead to greater happiness, fulfillment, and success, while poor decisions can result in regret, setbacks, and missed opportunities. When we make decisions that are aligned with our values, goals, and aspirations, we create a positive feedback loop. Our choices reinforce our sense of purpose and direction, leading to greater confidence and self-efficacy. Conversely, when we consistently make decisions that contradict our values or lead to negative outcomes, we can fall into a cycle of self-doubt and regret. This can erode our self-esteem and make it even more challenging to make sound decisions in the future. By striving to make conscious, deliberate, and well-informed decisions, we can create a virtuous cycle of positive outcomes, leading to greater happiness, fulfillment, and success in all areas of our lives. Section 9. Embracing the journey decision-making as a lifelong pursuit. Mastering the art of decision-making is not a destination, but rather a lifelong journey of self-discovery, learning, and growth. As we encounter new challenges and opportunities, our decision-making skills will continue to evolve and adapt. It's essential to approach this journey with a growth mindset, embracing challenges as opportunities for learning and viewing setbacks as valuable feedback. Each decision we make, whether it leads to a positive or negative outcome, provides us with invaluable data that we can use to refine our decision-making process. By adopting a mindset of continuous learning and improvement, we can approach decision-making with greater confidence, resilience, and clarity. Section 10, From Uncertainty to Clarity, the empowering impact of decisiveness. In a world often characterized by uncertainty and ambiguity, the ability to make clear, confident decisions is an invaluable asset. Decisiveness is not about rushing into choices without careful consideration. Rather, it's about cultivating the ability to gather the necessary information, weigh the options, and make a choice with conviction. When we are decisive, we empower ourselves to move forward with clarity and purpose. We break free from the paralysis of indecision and create momentum in our lives. This sense of agency and control can have a profound impact on our overall well-being, leading to greater confidence, reduced stress, and a stronger sense of self-efficacy. Of course, decisiveness should not be confused with impulsivity or recklessness. It's crucial to strike a balance between careful consideration and timely action, avoiding the pitfalls of both analysis paralysis and hasty decisions. Section 11. Conclusion. Mastering the art of decision-making. Mastering the art of decision-making is an ongoing journey that requires us to understand the complexities of our own minds, develop effective strategies, and cultivate a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. By understanding the common pitfalls that can trip us up, the biases that can cloud our judgment, and the strategies that can help us make more informed choices, we can become more confident, decisive, and effective decision makers. As we hone our decision-making skills, we empower ourselves to shape our lives with intention, create positive outcomes, and navigate the complexities of the world with greater clarity, purpose, and fulfillment. Remember, every decision, no matter how small, is an opportunity to learn, grow, and create the life we envision for ourselves.